this way. I don't know why you wanna treat me this way.
Good, beautiful morning, guys. How are you doing today? Hopefully I'm fresh and well and beautiful on another fine and fantastic day again today. Welcome.
I know. To leave echo from the hole.
Welcome to Tuesday and welcome to LA. Look at this incredible view we have woken up to this morning. We just literally watched the sunrise. I love that when you get to a place at 9 it's dark. You wake up in the morning and you see the sunrise, just like welcome. How are you guys doing today? Oh yeah,
I'm good.
What's going on?
But
you
I'm
good?
tired. He's got his own personalised hat. We need to get on this level.
Yeah.
And a hoodie as well.
Yeah, where's the merch? You're not rocking it. You wore it yesterday. You rocking the Echoes hoodie? Yeah. No, we literally got up like super duper early. It was like I woke up at 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock like American time. It's just like jet lag has kicked in quite bad today. But we're feeling good. We just showered. I think now we're gonna go out, head out, get some food, get some breakfast, and then just smash the day. Dudes, I'm not gonna lie, this sun is feeling flippin' lovely. It's 10 to 8 in the morning and the sun is actually warm. I decided to rock the shorts out. I thought, you know what, day one of being here in LA, I've come all this way, of course I'm gonna wear shorts. And just look at it. Oh, it's so beautiful. The trees. Look how beautiful this is here. Just beautiful. Just saying how beautiful you are.
Thank you very much.
Alright, enjoy.
Look at that beast. That is cheeseburger, something or other. Big. I don't even know. I don't even know what you ordered there, Rob.
You are coming back off this holiday from a bit.
Right, so we just come back to the apartment so we can get camera gear, glide cam, bottle of water. It's time to go. Hollywood sign, I believe, and then
Let's do it.
wherever else.
God! I didn't even know you got that.
Yeah.
Wait. No, hold it properly. How do you hold it?
I'll give you a proper go on it later. Ooh. Alright, we're good. Right dudes, we have just stopped in an incredible place right now. We are at Universal City Overlook. Look at this like little lookout point up here. Let's go investigate this view up here. Honestly dudes, is incredible. We're kind of like just driving around at the moment. We're aiming for the Hollywood sign. I'm going to show you a rather breathtaking view right now of LA. Look at that. Holy flippin' moly dudes. How incredible is that? Yeah, I don't think we're allowed to go up this road, unfortunately. So we had to have a slight change of plan. We couldn't get anywhere near the Hollywood sign because literally all the roads were closed with police and fire engine stuff. So now we have just come to Santa Monica. This place just brings back so many memories because LA is where I started my daily vlogs, was literally in LA, the day I landed in LA, like just over 2 years ago and stuff. So there's so many memories of like me and Holly being here, like the collabs we done like with Alex Mandel and stuff was here. I literally walked past the Segway place we got the Segways from with Alex Mandel, literally just around the corner. Oh, I love it. The main mission whilst we were here then was to grab the camera again and just go around and just film some really cool stuff. We're literally just filming just cutaways of Jake walking around. Oh, I just caught him Mid-Snapchat, mid-snappy. Yeah, literally it's just Jake and I walking around and stuff. Alright dudes, we have now made it to Venice Beach. And, fun fact, we've kind of got to the area where Mr. Arnold Schwarzenegger used to do all of his training and stuff. This is like, I guess this is Muscle Beach. I don't know if this is like the official, oh no it is that. Muscle Beach, Venice, California. That's exactly where we are right now. It's just so much just cool stuff. It's such a cool, funky like area. I don't know, I just love like the whole vibe around this place. I feel like I could live here. I mean, dudes, look at this guy. That is just mental. Absolutely mental. Rob, you gonna go in there and show that guy up?
I was thinking about it, but you know.
Day off today.
I called the muscle in that omelette, that cheeseburger omelette this morning, and I think I'm just going to day off.
Look at the crowd just gathering now to watch this dude. Holy flippin' moly. Oh!
It didn't crack!
This is it dudes, we are officially walking on
Sand.
the beach. Venice Beach to be precise. I've waited so long to go on a beach, like a nice proper beach like this. We've just been walking around now, taking pictures. I've got cameras for days at the moment. I'm literally just taking pictures of all this amazing graffiti. Look at the graffiti on these trees. Just looks so cool, literally. No matter where I put the camera, things just look super duper awesome. And now we've just come across like this iconic skate park right now. See, this just takes you back many, many years to Tony Hawk's days, skating on Venice Beach. What are you saying, Rob? So dudes, I'm not gonna lie, it is actually super tricky to vlog, to film on this and take pictures. I'm literally like juggling all these cameras around, but absolutely just loving it here. Absolutely loving it. Look at these dudes, getting the graffiti out or getting rid of the graffiti. So we're all getting a little bit hungry and stuff now, so we literally just went into this place right here and I decided to get myself a cheese pizza, one slice of cheese pizza and a bottle of water. I've got to stay hydrated because we're not used to this heat. So we were just like walking back to the car and I spotted some graffiti, and it has to probably be some of the best graffiti I've ever seen in my life. Seriously, I've got to go show it to you because it's that good. I mean, look how incredible this building is with that graffiti. Holy flippin' moly. Obviously it's probably like completely done by like airbrushing and everything, but the details in these are incredible. Let me try explaining what's going on right now, because it's a bit of a random edit. We were literally just driving back and now it's obviously pitch black at night. I put my head on the pillow because I was tired, because we're still like really jet lagged and stuff, and we got up super early. I was up like 5 o'clock this morning or something. And yeah, I fell asleep for hours and I've just got up and I've just edited yesterday's video. Now I'm just thinking about going back to bed. So apologies that the end of this video is very, very random, but we're ending the video in exactly the same place as the sunrise this morning. That was literally right there, which is kind of cool. We're just sat up on the balcony. Well, I'm on my own. I'm just sat up on the balcony in our apartment. So I'm just going to end today's video right here. I really hope you guys have enjoyed yourselves today, hanging out with me on Santa Monica and Venice Beach and stuff. And oh yeah, we're up into the mountains. That was the same day. God, I'm so jet lagged and stuff. I just need to go to bed. So thank you so much for watching. If you have enjoyed it, please give this video a big fat thumbs up. And until tomorrow, remember those 3 very important things, which are, as always, stay happy, stay positive, stay awesome. And I'll see all of you bright and early tomorrow morning. Goodbye. to go, guys. We've got a 10.5-hour flight to go. Thought we'd start it right with the old Heineken. Cheers, Rob. Cheers.